Are you looking to buy cheap, but top-quality solo ads traffic that converts like crazy? Since you're watching this video, you probably know how important solo ads are for promoting your business. Solo ads traffic is generated by solo ad providers sending emails to their list of subscribers to promote your products and services. The solo ad traffic we provide is known to convert, and we are considered one of the top traffic providers in the industry. Are you tired of buying fake, unresponsive, and cheap solo ads that don't work? This leaves you wondering if you can really make any money from using solo ads. We are known in the industry to introduce new ideas and the best converting strategies to generate quality clicks. We also use a variety of traffic sources that gets buyers onto your subscriber lists. We use the latest bot prevention and detection methods, as well as list cleaning services, strategies and software. You will receive at least 85% of the traffic from the Tier 1 countries. USA, Canada, UK, New Zealand and Australia. These are rich, English-speaking countries that maximize the potential of a sale. Our clients keep coming back to buy more and more premium solo ad traffic that converts, which produces sales for them consistently. We know what it's like when you buy traffic from a vendor, company, or even a well-known trusted source, and things do not seem quite right. We also know all the dirty secrets that plague the traffic industry, like bots, spammy emails, and spammy ways people grow their list, as well as people who keep sending clicks to other solo ad sellers over and over again, which decreases your chances of sales. Be aware of these 4 things. Number 1. Your offer has to be in the biz op, or make money online niche. Beginner or newbie level preferred. Number 2. You cannot spam the subscribers you get, or use grossly misleading headlines etc. Number 3. You have to understand that solo ads are not a magic pill that will print money. Number 4. You need to work to optimize your funnel, your conversions, and your sales. Now you can finally profit with solo ads, and build a responsive buyers list. You will make money every time you send your email list an offer. Click the link in the description below to find out more.